Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best gas stove igniter is probably one of the most essential components of your kitchen appliance, ensuring your burners light up safely and efficiently. If your stove is failing to ignite, or the igniter glows but doesn't produce a flame, it's likely time for a replacement. This video will guide you through the process, making it a straightforward DIY project. Number 5. Prysm range igniter replaces WB13K21. This range igniter is a direct replacement for several part numbers. It's designed to replace parts like WB13K21 and many others. This ensures compatibility with your existing range. Made with premium materials, this product is built to last. It undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its durability and reliability. You can trust it to perform consistently. This product comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you encounter any issues, you're covered. Purchase with confidence knowing that it is backed by a warranty. Installation instructions are available on our website. This oven igniter assembly is a short ceramic-style igniter with a mounting bracket and wire nuts. You may need to splice the wires. This igniter is designed to be compatible with all major brands. It's a versatile solution for your range. It is designed to work seamlessly with your existing appliance. What we like. This igniter is compatible with all major brands, making it a versatile choice. It's made with premium materials and comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring reliability. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement for your GE gas stove, this is a great option. What people say. Replacement was very easy. Just remove the bottom pan of your oven, maybe 2 screws, and remove the old igniter, 2 screws, taking a photo first so that you can replace it the right way. It really only goes one way, but still a good habit to get into, and now our oven works perfectly. Oven now lights up quickly. It fit perfectly in my appliance and took only 10 minutes to install. The process was straightforward, and it worked exactly as it should, lighting up my burners effortlessly. Number 4. Supplying demand gas range oven igniter replacement. This is a replacement igniter from Supplying Demand. It's designed for specific gas range oven models. Ensure it fits your model before you buy it. This igniter is model specific, not universal. Check the model number fitment information on the product page. There are also alternate part numbers listed. This 120V igniter is 3 to 12 inches long. It includes the igniter, bracket, and wire connectors. It's designed for use with gas safety valves rated at 2.5 to 3.0 amps. Always disconnect your appliance from the power and gas supply before servicing. Handle this part with care, as it is fragile. Supplying Demand replacement parts are compatible with major brands. Verify fitment with your specific model. Check the product gallery for a video to help you find your model number. This product comes in Supplying Demand packaging. It is a reliable replacement part for your gas range oven. What we like. This igniter is designed for specific models, ensuring a perfect fit. It also includes high-temperature wire connectors for easy installation. If you have a model-specific range and want a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly. Works well and is easy to install. Product still works after 3 years. Number 3. Funmit WB13K21 oven igniter for GE Samsung. This WB13K21 igniter is designed to perfectly replace various models, including DG94-00520A and Norton 501A. If the connection port doesn't match, you can easily adapt it. It's a reliable solution for your oven needs. This igniter works with popular brands like Samsung, Whirlpool, GE, and more. It's compatible with many models, ensuring a wide range of usability. Check the details page for a complete list. The WB13K21 igniter lights your oven burner and regulates temperature. It solves heating issues, ensuring your oven functions correctly. This replacement part offers great value. This replacement part can save you money on electrical and repair costs. You won't need to buy a new grill. It's a cost-effective solution for your oven problems. Made from durable, high-quality materials, this igniter is built to last. It's easy to install, and even if the wire connector doesn't match, modification is simple. It's designed for a longer service life. We offer a free replacement if the igniter is damaged during shipping. Each igniter undergoes anti-aging tests. Discoloration is normal and indicates a longer service life. Contact us for any issues. What we like. This igniter is compatible with a wide range of brands and models, including Samsung and GE. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and money. If you're looking to save on repair costs and install it yourself, this is a great choice. What people say. It worked perfectly for about 4 months before I started noticing the oven taking longer and longer to preheat. Oven started lighting as soon as I hit the button, the packaging was well secured and product fit my stove exactly. A hassle-free purchase, which is always nice. It is a piece of cake to install this igniter, but I got a tough time reinstall the oven door back. With the new igniter I was able to get to 350° F within 12 minutes. Number 2. Improvedhand WB13K21 Oven Igniter Replacement. This WB13K21 igniter is designed to fit perfectly in GE, Samsung, Hotpoint, Kenmore, and other oven models. It directly replaces several part numbers, ensuring a hassle-free installation. If you're unsure about compatibility, feel free to contact us. The igniter contains fragile silicon carbide. Please inspect it carefully before installation. Don't worry about any discoloration, each one is tested before it goes to market. If you have any issues, our team is here to help. This oven igniter is made with durable, high-quality materials, including high-temperature resistant silicon carbide and a long insulated wire. The manufacturer has thoroughly tested it to ensure its reliability. Is your oven not heating properly? This igniter can solve issues like erratic heating and burnout. Using this high-quality replacement can protect your oven and extend its lifespan. Installing this igniter is simple and takes just minutes. Just remove the old one, connect the wire, and install the new one. Remember to unplug your range before you start. You can find more detailed instructions on the product page. Improvedhand is committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're always ready to help. What we like. This igniter is made of durable, high-quality materials for excellent performance. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If your oven isn't heating properly, this is the perfect solution to get it working again. What people say. Direct replacement as described. I highly recommend. If your wall or regular gas burning stove won't light, 9.5-10 times it's the igniter. It worked on my really old caloric I'm trying to save as long as possible because new retro-looking stoves break down way too much. I didn't expect it to work, but it just need to be fitted, adjusted, to where gas will collect easily and it will definitely work. Number 1. Cenipar WB13K21 Gas Range Oven Igniter. Introducing the upgraded Cenipar WB13K21 Igniter. It's designed to replace your old or faulty igniter, ensuring your oven functions properly. This high-quality replacement is built to last. Made with high-quality materials, this igniter meets OEM standards. It's designed to solve issues like uneven heating and ignition failures. This will save you time and money. Installation is straightforward, but handle it with care. Wear gloves and disconnect power before installation. If you have any questions, we're here to help. The igniter quickly reaches 2000 to 2800 degrees Fahrenheit in a minute. It includes a stainless steel shield, ceramic wire nuts, and a connector plug. The wire is 8 inches long, and the ceramic rod is 1.5 inches. This igniter is a direct replacement for various GE, Hotpoint, and Kenmore oven models. It replaces part numbers like WB13K21, WB13T10045, and more. It's a reliable solution for your oven. We package the igniter carefully to prevent damage during shipping. This product is made with high-quality materials and manufactured to strict standards. We are committed to your satisfaction and will solve any issues you may have. What we like. This upgraded igniter is made of high-quality materials and includes a connector plug for easy installation. It's designed to quickly reach high temperatures for efficient performance. If you want a reliable and easy-to-install igniter, consider this one. What people say. The igniter was easy to install. The product works perfectly. The igniter is a perfect fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.